Hi. Now there are reports that President Trump had a telephonic conversation of about 45 minutes with the Danish Prime Minister, and he was putting pressure on the sale of or purchase of Greenland, the island, which is a territory of Denmark, by United States of America, and he was saying that it is important for national security of the United States of America, and it was a hot call because things did not went very well, and this call, and he's putting pressure despite Danish Prime Minister has already said that that Greenland is not for sale. But if he put more pressure and if he is ready to use force, what can Denmark do? Denmark is a rich country, but militarily it is very weak country, and it is a part of rather founding country of NATO. So the repercussions will be on alliance, and Denmark is a country which is a great alliance partner of United States of America. Already US is having a big base there, in military base there in Greenland, and they are ready for other cooperations as well, let it be economic cooperation or the military cooperation. But even after that, if Trump uses force or pressure, then it will definitely affect and hurt United States global alliances, because Denmark is a country which you can say that it is one of the best of the alliance partner of United States of America, and it does whatever United States wants. Then if US is doing such an act of aggression, I will say, use the word, with an ally, then what will happen with other alliance partners like Germany, like France? France is semi-sovereign in its foreign policy, and sometimes it shows somewhat it do not go as per the wishes and whims of United States of America. So what will happen of those alliances, and other partners in the alliance will also become uncomfortable with United States of America, and such happenings actually lead to collapse of empires.